On this new video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. So hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the voice message problem easily. So there is two ways to fix it. The first way is you have to go to the Play Store on your Android phone or your App Store on iPhone. After that, make sure that you have the newest version of WhatsApp. If you don't have it, then you must click on update. After that, go to the settings on your phone, scroll down and go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll down until you find WhatsApp, click on it and click here on the force stop option. And after that, go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again and reopen WhatsApp. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.